in the car.
In the car.
Get in the car wash.
Get in the car.
My Nintendo DS is awesome. I'll play with that later. What is that? A Virtual Boy, I think. Guy. Hello, guy back there. There's those little thingies. I'm recording during the car wash.
Are you?
Yeah.
Goofball.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Big dupe. Alright. The mist. Sierra's mist.
Are you recording all this?
Yes.
Are you?
Soap on the windshield is purple. Why is there purple soap on the windshield?
I don't know. Because it's not green.
What?
Because it's not green.
What do you mean it's not green?
You said, why is it purple?
What?
You said, why is it purple, right?
Yeah.
Well, it's because it's not green.
Whoa, it's getting my windshield too. Okay. Hello, blue things. You wanna be my friend? I don't think so. Okay, bye. Those blue things obviously don't like me.
Okay.
Yeah, they hate me really bad. A lot of turbulence in here. Hello, blue things. We're out. Vacuum cleaner take me too. I don't know why. We're out. Finally out. Need to focus on the. Goodbye, blue things. I'll see you sometime.
See you in 10 minutes when we get Grandma's car.
Oh, we're gonna go again?
Yeah.
We're going again. Ow. We're going again. So we're going for another car washing.
Yes,
As soon as you
we
roll
are.
down the windows. As soon as you roll up the windows. Why'd you roll down the windows?
What do you think?
See why. Oh, thank goodness, roll up the windows. It's starting to get cold in here. It's like 15 degrees outside. Wait, 15 degrees exactly? Is that right?
It was 14.
Oh. Can't tell we're in a different car. We're just going to the same car wash. We're in a different car, though. Going in the car wash. Car wash, car wash, car wash.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, what?
Kill you. You like a little duck.
Pay your dollars for this car wash crap. Do this crap. Hello, little guy. Oh. What?
Huh?
Hey, look back here.
I'm gonna smack you.
Why?
Just for the heck of it.
What?
Just for the heck of it.
Better not have.
I will.
No, you won't.
Just for the heck of it.
No, you won't. Sorry. Sorry. Here comes the purple soap that's not green, obviously. Just tell me why you think it's not green.
Does it look green?
No, but why'd you just blue things? Thought you hated me, blue things. We're back for more. No. These guys back here, they hate me. Hello? there's more. More madness. And more. Look at that, now you hate me. Hello. All you people. You are stupid. I would like to sleep in the car while I just like do this. There's the mist. Sierra's mist. Automatic mist. Okay, here comes the space heater. No, wait, it's still wet. Watch the wetness go away fast. This is the best vlog. Here we go. Here comes the space heater. Space heater. Look at that. Holy crap. We'll go around my windshield in a second. Yeah, there we go. Goodbye, water. Goodbye, everything. Goodbye, blue thing. See you never again. We done? Almost. So I haven't been to a car wash in probably like 2 years, 3 years. Yeah, really.
I think you were here about 10 minutes ago.
I mean before 10 minutes ago. Thanks for watching. We stopped to get gas. See? We stopped to get gas. There's my grandpa out there. But like, comment, subscribe. I know I haven't made a video in a couple days. I'm sorry about that. But I'll be back soon. See the smoke? Oh, thank goodness tomorrow's the first day of March. We'll all have some happy heat. Huh. Okay. Peace out.
There's a retard.